they see your hand, they waka, they go near my phone. Waiting your hand, they find for where my phone is. How many times have I warned you?
Waiting be say.
May know they waka near where my phone is.
My dear, your phone, I know if you check
it's my privacy.
With your phone and your privacy.
Waiting carry you go there.
Me, I just check whether the phone still they charge.
It concern you whether it charge or not. I've sent you. Did I send you message?
You supposed check your phone whether they charge.
I send you message. You supposed check my phone checker.
Madam,
Undertaker phone.
I want to talk to you before.
Talk to
as
me
you dey sleep and say, my wake. Thank God say you don't wake.
Share rubbish.
You
know it is say as I get with her, they sleep with 2 eye.
Calm down.
You dey waka dey near my phone, no near there again.
When grandma dey talk, no use phone matter dey shout for me because me I no check anything. Yourself you check whether the phone dey charge.
I no check am whether e dey charge again. No try am.
Check again. You don't
Nonsense.
do. You don't do, madam. You don't do. You say.
I don't know which day that
the money where I give you, say make you say give your mama since you say she know where. I think she don't dey go farm now. Return the money. Might use the money do another thing. Because I call her and she says she's fine. She just come back from farm. That means she know.
Or you give me.
The money where I give you, say make you send give your mama. She know where. She don't say she know where before. Now which one say I give you? Normally now your mama I give, but she don't well now. Give me the money. One take and do something.
I don't understand. You give me money when she know where. Make I send for her. You tell me say you borrow me money.
Me I no say as you know send am the money now. When you give me, I want use am.
As I no send her the money. Who tell you say I no send her the money?
My dear, you no give am the money.
Who tell you now?
I tell am, and she when she come in, the way I tell you, no say you never send her the money. She say she dey road they go farm. Now I say thank God though. Whether she receive anything from you now, she say no. That's why I say maybe I can't tell you.
Maybe you don't know what you they talk about now.
She don't know. Yes. That mean like this, the money don't work.
They receive anything from
money don't work. Now they ask you, the money don't work.
Be that. Know before. You give your wife money, one collect and back. Now so you need to.
That one no be say I give you now. Your mama I give us. You no concern the money.
Why you not send for am now straight now? No make noise for my ear, beg.
Okay, now you don't turn to noise.
The money for
now you don't turn to noise.
You're making noise.
And they make noise.
Empty
and they make noise.
Don't worry now.
Don't worry. Don't worry now.
Empty vessel that makes the most noise. Woo!
Your eye go open. Don't worry.
Empty vessel that makes the most noise.
Stupid calamity.
You want give her money now? You don't send her direct. I mean, she tell you say she no get account. You don't see good Samaritan. Now me you give, make I give her. Me where my body they find money. They there now you go wait for money tire. Wait for return of money.